My name is Tim Sanner. I'm the president of Fast Filings, Gov Filings, and Fast Birth Certificates. We're a birth certificate request filing service. So you go to our site, and if you place an order, we're going to do all the paperwork on the back end, and you're going to get a birth certificate. Over the last 2.5 years, we've been using a competitor for paid search, and we are extremely paid search driven. And over the last couple of years, we've been struggling a little bit, and I just assumed that they were doing a good job. Then Ed told me, hey, come over to National Positions and let's see what we can do. And things have completely skyrocketed since we switched over to National Positions. That just shows that they're good, you guys are way better. It was the first 2-hour call I had with Ed and Ted, and I realized these dudes know what they're doing. I can definitely trust them. I could tell they were not trying to sell me just to get a client. And I'm from a PPC background, so I'm pretty fluent in it, and I could tell that they are absolute experts, no questions. And so, yeah, that's kind of when it was when I realized I could trust National Positions. I was this close to shutting down the whole thing because we just weren't doing well. It's completely been turned around. 3 words I would use to describe National Positions: trustworthy. Everyone on the team is complete experts. I mean, everyone on these teams is total experts. And very easy to communicate with. If I need anything at all or I have any questions, I get a response back right away. Just nothing to worry about, I'd say. Anybody who's thinking about working with National Positions, it's definitely something you would want to do. It's one of the smartest business moves I've made, absolutely. There's definitely no reason not to.